Hi there! In this video tutorial, we're going to assemble the Quietfire Side Step Cards. And I've done a whole bunch of Halloween ones, but I've also done some other ones with different themes, but I've never done a video tutorial for them. So this will apply to them as well. So we're going to do this cute kitty in this tutorial, and you can see how this card base looks when it's assembled. And it's just a little tricky sometimes getting that card base folded the right way. So that's why I'm here. So we're going to take the card base as it's been cut in the digital cutting machine. And you can probably see the perforated score lines there. There's 3 on one side, and there's 1 on the other side, and there's a slit right down the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold up the bottom one on the left side, and it's going to be a mountain fold, and you're not going to touch anything on the right side, and we're just going to finger fold these. And then the second one up is going to be a valley fold. You can see I'm not touching anything on the right side. And then up at the top, we're going to do another mountain fold. And again, we're not going right across the card, we're just doing the left side. And now we're going to go to the right side, and we're going to do a mountain fold on that one perforated score line. And there you have it. There's the base of the side step card. Okay, now before we go any further, we're going to burnish down with a bone folder. We're going to burnish down all those score lines. Now, if we didn't do that, the card would splay open a lot, and by burnishing down those fold lines, the card stays upright more. Okay, the base is done. And now we can layer on the embellishments. And we're just going to do a trial run of the embellishments just to make sure everything fits together and we know where everything's going. It's a really simple card. So I'm going to speed up the video, and I'm just going to use some glue dots to hold things together. I use glue dots a lot because I test things. Sometimes I have to take them apart. So if I've used glue dots, then I'm not as committed as if I use wet glue. And that's pretty much all you have to test run with. And then I'm going to put this along the bottom. You can refer back to the photo that the cutting file came with. And center that along the bottom. And if the little bat wings go above the top score line, don't worry about it. And then the cat's going to go in there. And it can go down low. You just have to make sure that you don't push them up too high, or the one eye will be above the card base. And then you're going to line it up along that center cut line. And there he is, peeking out. How cute. He's all ready for Halloween. He loves candy. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy putting these side step cards together. I certainly enjoyed making them. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and get all notifications. And enjoy creating. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.